Jacking compensation. Jacking compensation is rotating each wheel individually so that the computer can determine axes of wheel rotation. After setting up targets, the F2 compensation button becomes accessible. The default wheel is the front left wheel. You can change the wheel by pressing F3, Next Wheel. To start compensation for a selected wheel, press F2, Perform. As the targets were mounted into the initial position in the target setup mode, the software displays the stop sign and proceeds to the next step. Rotate the selected wheel in the required direction. The yellow indicator should be in the green zone. The stop sign appears. As soon as the software receives all the required data, it proceeds to the next step automatically. It's required to return the wheel to its original position. Errors for compensation will be displayed on the screen. The wheel is shown in green. The errors for compensation should be in the tolerance range of 3 to 4 arc minutes. To repeat the wheel compensation, press F3, Repeat Compensation. To return to the wheel selection menu, press F4, Cancel. To compensate the next wheel, press F2, Next Wheel. When all the 4 wheels are compensated, the Finish Compensation button becomes accessible.